Hey guys, let's start this video by asking you a question. Does your age match your level of maturity? But the bigger question is, how does someone know whether it's only their hair that look like salt and pepper, or are they an equally matured personality as well? I guess the only way you can tell is if they demonstrate certain behavior in certain situations, but what are those behaviors? That's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video, so stick around and let's find out. Number 1, you fully realize that you can't make everyone happy and you don't even try. Think about all that you do for everyone else and then think about what you do for yourself. How much time do you spend caring about other people's needs before you pay attention to your own? Here is what mature people understand. Helping others is admirable. It's a beautiful thing to see humans caring for one another, but if you're someone who doesn't become so compelled to please everyone else that you almost dismiss your own happiness, then congratulations, you've certainly acquired this universal trait of being a mature person. Number 2, everyone, including the elderly, comes to you for advice. Have you ever felt, whether it's your parents, your friends, your co-workers, everyone comes to you with their problems? Is it that you're a brilliant problem solver? I guess not. It's because there is something approachable about you that they find comforting. It's because they trust you enough to open up. It's because you listen to them and understand. It's because you don't give advice just like that, but if you do, it's thoughtful and practical, and mainly it's because you're a mature person. So if people do indeed come to you with their problem, it's a sign of you being mature enough for your age. Also, after the video, it'd be great to hear your experiences with this one in the comment section below. Number 3, now this is my favorite one. You don't compare your life with others. You know, there was a time when each morning all I used to do was check my Facebook and Instagram feed, and almost every day I felt like crap. Checking out photos of other people, friends who looked like supermodels, friends who were chilling out at some exotic place, or someone getting engaged with Angelina Jolie lookalike, etc. Those images were in my head like the whole day, making me feel somehow lesser. The bottom line, I felt envious because I was comparing myself with others, or at least with what appeared for others on Facebook. But fast forward that to now, I've come to realize it wasn't fair, and it wasn't right for me to compare my real life with others' selectively captured moments that may or may not even be the truth. And it wasn't like my friends posting those photos was making my life worse in any way, so why feel bad? I strongly think you shouldn't get envious of someone else's life in general, or life on social media. If there is someone you should compare yourself with, then it's got to be your younger self. Let me ask you this question. Are you now able to manage stuff that you used to screw up 5 years ago? If yes, then you're definitely a notch up in maturity. Number 4, you're able to handle change. As the old saying goes, the only thing constant in life is change. Change comes no matter what your age is. We are normally able to handle small changes without much of difficulty, but it's the big and major changes that we do not like. One of my friends whose partner dumped him and ran off with someone else, leaving him shattered. His first few attempts to handle it were to get back into the dating game, but because it was immature, he ended up as disaster. There can be many examples, say you've lost your job or any major change that you did not see coming, but now you have to deal with it. Mature people understand feeling fear about change does not mean change is bad. What seems bad and frightening at first may well turn out to be for the best, and guess what? More often than not, change is for the better. Steve Jobs once said, and I quote, "Getting fired from Apple was the best thing that could have happened to him, and that led him to the most creative periods of his life." And you may also resonate with this, so I want you to share your experiences in the comment section below. What was the biggest change that made you go in the panic zone at first, but now looking back, you feel it was for the better? On that note, guys, the video comes to an end. If the content was helpful, please click the like, thumbs up button. And if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel now for more useful content coming your way. Thanks for watching.